Get ready to elevate your grilling game. I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're making incredible beef kebabs paired with Toum. Yes, a creamy garlic Lebanese sauce that's just perfect with grilled meat. It's so delicious. First, let's make our marinade. Minced garlic, lemon juice, red wine vinegar, and a blend of spices, including ground coriander, paprika, cinnamon, allspice, salt, and pepper. The cinnamon gives it that traditional Lebanese touch. Whisk together some olive oil. Add your 1.5-inch beef cubes to the bowl and make sure they're well coated. Cover it and let it marinate in the fridge for about maybe 2 hours or overnight for maximum flavor. Next, let's make the Toum. This garlic sauce starts with garlic cloves and salt in a food processor. With the processor running, slowly drizzle in the vegetable oil and the lemon juice, an acidic emulsifier which will make it fluffy. Keep going until the sauce turns thick and creamy. Now it's time to grill. Thread your marinated beef onto the skewers, alternating with pieces of red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and some onion. Preheat your grill to medium-high. Grill the kebabs for about 8 to 10 minutes, turning them occasionally until they're beautifully charred but still juicy on the inside. Serve those hot kebabs right off the grill with a side of that amazing Toum or pour right on top. Add some warm pita bread, a garnish of fresh parsley, and of course some lemon wedges. Beef kebabs paired with Toum. This is one dish I'd be proud to serve my family. Mangia bene. Jasper's Kitchen is brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.